Hello everyone, my name is Patrick and this is the beginning of my YouTube channel. I will tell you why I've decided to start the channel, what will be the contents here, and a little tour of my garage. So last year I've decided to start chasing my dream, which is to build my own race car. I am a big Volvo 850 fan, so I've decided to start to build 850 BTCC replica with a little twist, so I wanted to be a rear-wheel drive. I don't have much experience in mechanical engineering, so I decided it will be a fun project to document my journey as I learn along the way most of the things. So I am software engineer with experience in electronics. So last year I've got my master's degree and I've been part of the Formula student team for the 6 years. I've been electronics team leader for a few years, so I have experience in motorsport wiring and motorsport electronics. So I will put my main focus on the electronics aspect, so the wiring harness, the PDM, the display, 8 HP controller. Some of these things I want to build either by myself or by my colleagues from the Formula student team. So I think it will be a fun project. I want to do most of the things by myself, maybe except for the roll cage, because I don't have much experience in welding. So yeah, I hope you will like it. And this is my assistant, Pedro. He will help me along the way. Yeah. And I want to attach a few photos on how it looked before my cleanup process. Okay, so this is the base for the project. It's a little dirty because it has been sitting here for the last 6 months. I need to clean it today because the snow is gone, so I can clean it up. And I got it really cheap. It's in really good condition. It doesn't have almost any rust. It just has a little spot here, but other than that, it's really good condition. So I started stripping it apart from the inside. It's just the beginning, I would say. Still a long way to go. So today I brought the car share cleaner. I will try to clean it and drive it inside to start stripping it to the bare frame. So here's my daily car, 850 T5 turbo, 2.0 liter. So now let me show you the garage. So this is my work for the past 6 months. I've been renovating everything, painting the walls, painting the floor, getting rid of the mold. So I've put 2-post car lift here. So I know the the ceiling is just 2.5 meters, and I am aware of that. As you can see, I already made a hole there. So I will have to make a hole here so the car can get up higher. But right now the clearance is around 1 meter, which should be enough for the beginning. So this is my first rear suspension. This is from the BMW E30, which has integrated mounts for the shocks, and I thought it would be the good base and the easiest way, but later I've decided to go with this one. This is from BMW M3 M4 F80 generation. I've decided to go with the newer one. It will be much better for the handling, and it has electrically controlled differential. So there is like a electric motor here which controls the differential, which can be LSD. Let me just close the garage. So it controls the differential, so it can be open diff, LSD, or full lock. It will be just like simple controller on a rotary switch, at least that's the plan. So let's go further. Sorry for the mess on the floor. So this is the table and drawer which I've made by myself. So I've decided to build it to learn how to use the MIG welder. So I would say it turned out pretty nice. So the welds maybe are not the best, but they get the job done. So if you like it, I might record another video on how I did it. So the drawers are really big. They are like half a meter wide and 80 centimeters long. So those are really nice. And of course they are on the wheels. And my idea was that they are modular, so I can build like one big table from them. So as you can see here, if I go like this, yeah, it's like one big table but with integrated drawer. So here's the heater for my garage. It's a Webasto, Chinese one, with additional heater for the exhaust. So here's the exhaust. It goes through this heater. This is just bathroom heater, and it goes outside. So it's like very hot, you can barely touch it. This is my battery supply. It has like small battery, 12 volts. Here we have the amperage and voltage for the battery, and here's for how much it takes. So if you want to check out how I built it, maybe I will make another video on this box, which is my design. So right now it's just 6 degrees because I've just started it, but it gets up to like 15 degrees. So yeah, for this episode I think that's everything. If you like the journey, I will try to record everything, show you the progress. So the first step will be stripping the whole car and start to try to make this fit. So thank you for watching and see you later.